What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Hold on, y'all. My screen just broke out. 1 second. I don't know what. I restarted my screen. It just bugged out. Give me a second. I don't know what just happened. We're about to pull this stuff back up. There we go. I wish we back to business. What's going on? My signal just being trash all of a sudden. But we're going to pull these charts back up and keep it pushing. So yesterday ended up being a pretty much slow day as expected. We do got another president popping off later on today as well. We had GBP news. We had Australian news pop up at 12:30. Then we have USD news popping up later on at the beginning of the New York session at 8:30. So we're going to see how that affects the markets. Didn't take any trades last night. Was just watching the charts, but we do see some potential setups on GJ. It was kind of GA sell as well, but it didn't do the move until after the news. So we're going to pull that up also. So let me get my charts back up. Right, so we was looking at GJ yesterday. Again, remember, we was looking at potential sells. We could break this level, but it respect this as support, showing the bullish momentum is still in effect. Now we're right back at this resistance level, so we're about to see if we can hold this level as support. If we can hold this level as support, we can see a new higher high get made. We can continue buys. So we're going to be watching GJ to see if we can hold 265, 270 as support. If so, we can look for buys going to 201.80. That's what we're going to be looking for today. You already know the drill. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. I'm getting your charts, drop them in the chat. Just pulling my charts back up. I had to restart my or re-upload these tabs because my thing was bugging out. Like, geez, everything else is super wiki. We had retracement take place / reversals yesterday and Friday, and it was pretty low volume. Again, you can look on the smaller time frames. Again, just a very small candlesticks, very wiki, showing there's a lack of volume. But we're gonna see if things start to pick up today. Make sure to like the live as y'all hop up in here too, y'all. My bad. I'm over doing two things at once. I don't know about y'all, but I can't talk and type at the same time. My stuff up. Got a new video dropping for y'all later on today. If you haven't checked the videos I dropped last week, make sure to check those out. Got a new video drop for you at the beginning of New York today. Trying to fix the audio again. The Wi-Fi is bugging out crazy right now. Let's see if we can get that audio fixed right now, though. So, what's going on, Fitmo? I see you up in here. Hello, good morning. Could you please give me your email so I can write you a message about my sub? You can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. Instagram is scrolling at the bottom of the screen, playmaker_way. Telegram, first link in the description. But if you have a question, you can ask right now. Yeah, but I respond to all messages, right? I look at my messages every day at certain times. So if you guys want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram, playmaker_way, or hit that first in the description or first link for Telegram. You can also DM me on Telegram. Just joining the stream. We have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. We're gonna put GBPJPYs right now. We have not entered this yet. Trying to fix my audio, but StreamYard bugging. Yeah. I'm trying to StreamYard bugging out. New 5-minute just popped up. Right now we're watching to see if it can hold this level as support right here. Because last time it broke the level, but when it did the retracement retest, it failed to do so. Let's see what we got up in here. That's the Telegram. Telegram is first link in the description. So you go to if you're watching me on YouTube right now, right? You go to more, and then when you hit more, you're gonna say join my free Telegram signal room. You click right there, it'll send you directly to my free Telegram. But you're saying, where do you access the live room? I'm not sure what you're talking about. What live room? You're talking about us live streaming right now? You're in the live chat. What's going on, AJ? There's a profit firm in the link set USA clients. I have to change that. Wait. Are you talking about the link fly? Because I think I took that out in the description. You're talking about the link fly, prop firms, all the prop firms. Except but you're talking about the broker. The broker, I have a broker in my description. The broker no longer takes U.S. clients. They stopped doing so. But if you already had an account with them, they still let you use it. But after all this stuff, last year with all the U.S. changes, don't take U.S. clients anymore. If you need a broker for if you're in the U.S., I have a video going over the brokers I use that are regulated. I'll drop that link in the chat right now. But I just looked at my description. I don't have a link for a prop firm, so unless you're talking about somewhere else. Let me see if I can find the video. I dropped so many freaking videos. I'll be searching stuff. I don't want to pull up the video I'm looking for. The struggle getting real out here. I think this is the one. Yep, here it is. Not bad. That's for you, Asia, or anyone else. But yeah, they're pretty good. Only thing is, it's not Bitcoin no more. It's actual bank account wire transfers. So unless you have one of those accounts where they have like the quick deposit, it takes about 2 to 5 business days for withdrawals. Deposits usually hit the account within a day or 2 days, but it's still pretty quick. And again, it's all regulated. And that broker literally makes it, you literally have to lose a bunch of trades as well to blow your account because they make it a lot easier for you because with, outside the US, foreign brokers, they let you literally do 1 to 500 leverage, but the US, they don't allow that. So literally, you can't take one position or 2 positions and then blow your account. Like they literally won't let you put a lot size too big. That'll put your account at risk off one trade, which is another pro to it. What else we got up in here? We got a new 15 might have popped up in a second. Sam, do you got Instagram? If you got Instagram, DM me on Instagram. That's the easiest way to contact me. DM me on Instagram. But you're saying you purchased, what was, DM on Instagram, because I'll need to put your information on here. But if you were the one that purchased yesterday, a link, when you purchase the Advanced Play Signal Room, the course channel, one-on-one sessions, a link pops up after you purchase. So you're saying that you did not get that link to join and you paid, you most likely exited out of it, which is fine. So that's what I'm saying. DM me, send me a screenshot of you actually purchasing it, the receipt, your email, the name you use, and then I'll put you in there. So DM me on Instagram, playmaker_way, and after the stream, I'll get that taken care of. All right, the 15 just popped up. We got a couple setups we're looking at right here. So again, we're still going to be looking for sales on GU. Again, it failed to close underneath this level just like on Friday, but we still see bearish momentum. So again, if it can hold 2680 as resistance for sales going to 2640, again, we can look at, again, smaller time frame to see exactly that. Price, again, very small candlesticks indicating low volume. Hold on a second. This is Wi-Fi. I'm going to restart this. I'm just going to keep bugging out. I might have to restart the stream in a second. Bugging out. All right, now it's working. So again, if y'all watch my video on volume and how that works, make sure to check that out. I'll drop that link in the chat in a second. Well, we got the alerts, but again, still got a little bit of work to do, so we're not going to really pay attention to that right now. We're going to watch GJ as of right now. we're also going to take a look and keep an eye on, and I like how that's moving. Yeah, we might be seeing the reversal take place for these setups as well. Again, we had Australia news pop off last night, and then later on at the beginning of New York today, we got USD news. I'm not going to go live today with the members. Going to be going live Thursday and Friday with the news. Members, if you didn't check out or watch last week's New York news events, make sure to check those out. We also have to post it on the channels. But yeah, GJ looks like he's trying to hold us on support. Oh, that's a weird candlestick. Let's see how it holds, bro. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. Those that just joined the stream, we have not answered anything yet. Make sure to go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last week. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. And if y'all have not watched the Sunday chart analysis yet, make sure to watch that. Again, it's not just what I see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but it's what I see doing throughout the entire week. If you check out last week's Sunday chart analysis, a lot of things went as projected. So again, talking about the news, right? We had, again, 12:30 last night, Australian news pop off. We was looking at possible sell setups here. We can see when the 12:30 news popped off. We see, again, a clear difference in this candlestick compared to all the other candlesticks all that night. And then broke price down below. And after that, it continued to push down. So now I'm about to see if it can hold 91.45, 91.40 as resistance. Again, though, we can look right here. Very wiki. Clear level of traffic, which again is showing that we'll need some volume to break through this level. Because as we can see, price has been chilling here for about a month and some change. So let's see if it can change. Again, I got my alert down here, so when price does hit that level, I can immediately jump onto it and take a look at it. As we can see here, it fell to hold as resistance. We're going to see these levels as resistance if we're looking for sells, hold the levels as support if we're looking for buys. Looking at GBPJPY now. Again, all the previous times price failed to hold this level as support, but since price did all this work to push back up Friday yesterday, I'm assuming the uptrend is going to continue. Let's hold this level as support. I haven't entered this trade yet. I'm going to go ahead and get this trade idea written up. We want to see some volume kick into the markets today. Because when there's volume, it's always the smoothest to trade with this volume. Because again, you don't want to go against price. You can't force price to do anything. So we want to use the momentum to do all the work for us. Okay, you don't have Instagram. If you have TikTok, message me on TikTok. TikTok's scrolling at the bottom of the screen as well. _playmakerway_. Be only on TikTok. And like I said, send me a screenshot of the receipt of you purchasing, and then the name versus the last name you signed up with, and I'll send you the link afterwards. So you have an Instagram? I thought you say you don't. Okay, if you mess with Instagram, I thought you say you don't have one. Okay, I'll check the Instagram. What's going on, JD? I see you up in here. How you doing, my boy? Again, Sam, send me a screenshot of the purchase receipt that shows, because when you purchase, it sends you an email confirmation. So send me the screenshot of the email confirmation with your name on it, showing that you purchased. Because I had a few people sign up. I want to make sure I can keep track of who's who. But again, y'all, for those that do plan on joining either the Advanced Play Singing Room or purchasing the course or the one-on-one sessions, when you purchase, a link is going to pop up. It's going to send you the information. It sends you to the pages you need to go to. So don't exit out immediately after you purchase. Of course, I can always help you out behind the scenes, but just future reference. If you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. We're looking at your charts, drop in the chat. We're just chilling patiently waiting. It looks like we might be seeing some reversals come into play when it comes to EN and GN. Because again, we was looking for sells on it yesterday. Went for a sell. We was up 5 pips, missed TP1 by 5 pips, and then it reversed on us. We might see a reversal come into play. I'm not going for buys yet, though. We won't see any higher highs. So we're just going to watch and see how it plays out today. And again, it was a pretty low volume day yesterday in general. That's possible GU sales, possible GJPYs, and possible gold sales, but it's got a little bit of work to do. It's got a little bit of work to do. Got a new video dropping later on today for y'all. You're going to look out for that. Make sure to have your noties on. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 2,400 subs. We can get to that easily this week. Those just joining the stream, we have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to hit that first link in the description for a free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Last week we went 5-0 as far as how we ended last month in May. If you scroll to June 3rd, you can see this for yourself. We went 16-4 last month. It was an 80% win rate. We caught a total of 69,396 pips. Again, you look right here. You see some student results testimonials. You click right here. It's going to take you to the peak of the month. Again, we can recap of the week at the end of the week. Daily recaps. Again, every week we do the Sunday chart analysis. You can see screenshots of signals, screenshots of positions, student results, testimonials, all that good stuff. So how we're doing so far this quarter, that's how we did last month. That's how we did April. Yeah, this was April. We went 15-4, give us a 79% win rate, caught 47,957 pips. And how we did at the beginning of this year to end quarter one, we went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate, catching a total of 111,806 pips. So we've been killing it so far this week. I mean, not this week. And so we've been doing a good job this month as well. So we got about 2 more weeks till this month and quarter ends. Avenue 15 about to pop up in about 2.5 minutes. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. You saw this we're looking at. 3 charts we're looking at. Opening are close to our levels. Again, we're just waiting for those affirmations to see if they can break and hold in what break and hold in as support or break and hold as resistance. Sam, it's accepted. Go ahead and try to send it. It's accepted. New 15 just popped up. Let's reject that. Get the lid on that. So we'll get ready when this breaks this log. Appreciate all the likes. Make sure to like the live, y'all. So we're watching right here to see who's going to be able to hold and show us going to try to break this level. Because again, the past few times it's come this high, it's failed to hold this level as support. There was the initial, uptrend push up that we caught. We caught all these positions up, all these higher highs. They rejected. Tried again 2 days straight after this. Reversal. Price came back up. Tried 3 days straight. Broke it, but failed to hold. Reversed on Friday. And then now we're right back up here again. So we're about to see what is the 10th time the charm. Let's see what's going to hold this level today for us. That's what we're looking at. Potential buys right here. All right, Simon, you're in now. So exit out, close Telegram, refresh it, and then you should see that you're in the advanced play signal. So when you join, make sure to explore the channel. I just make sure to look at the pinned messages. If you want to join the stream in the chat, past lives, all that good stuff. All right. If you got questions, feel free to DM me. Yeah, I got you. Make sure to explore the channel because again, it's not just a signal room. We do a whole bunch of stuff behind the scenes. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. Looking at your chart, drop them in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. No, you stay in the free channel, not leave the free channel. Because there's some stuff I post in the free channel that I don't post in the other channel. Right? So make sure to stay in both channels. New 5 minute just popped up. So when the price is trying to figure out if it's going to hold this level. So again, I'm in no rush to beat this position because like we just went over. I want to make sure price is going to hold this level because the last few times it broke it or failed to hold it. Again, I'm not trying to guess the food. I like to wait for price to show me what it's trying to do. Because again, price is always going to give you hints. You just got to wait and see them or be patient enough to see what price is trying to do. All right, make sure to check out the playlist. All the playlists are up to date. All right, if you're trying to, understand more about how the charts work, market structure, make sure to check out the day trading tips playlist. There are 70 videos with back-to-back videos. There's the trade breakdown playlist, same thing, about 50, 60 videos back-to-back trade breakdown from start to finish. Various different buy setups, sell setups. I explain why we went for buys, why we went for sells in that scenario. And of course, all those breakdowns are trades I personally took, as well as signals and trades either taken during the live stream, going down and later taken on with the members in the advanced play signals. So make sure to check all that stuff out. No problem, Sam. I see some action in a little bit. Again, we're waiting to see if we can hold this level as resistance. That's what we're looking for right here. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker underscore way and TikTok underscore playmaker way underscore. Post daily on both pages. Been posting some videos this week and all last weekend as well. Make sure to check those out. I don't know how YouTube works. Make sure to explore the channel because again, we do not just live stream. We also post weekly videos, weekly content, trade breakdowns, trade tip videos, trading plan videos, trading psychology videos, all that good stuff. Make sure to check out the playlist. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. If you want to look at any charts, drop them in the chat. There's a few setups we're looking at right now. We're just waiting for our confirmations. Got a new 15 and 5 minute about to pop up next second. We want to see if this can hold as resistance. We want to see if it can one close underneath this level. We want to see if it can respect this level as resistance. Again, we had bullish momentum, but just like a lot of these other charts, we see some reversals take place last week and kind of yesterday. Again, we was catching these buys up here. But as you can see, price started to struggle to continue to make clean, clear higher highs. As you can see here, it started to struggle to hold these levels as support. As you can see here. And then again, last week, try one more time. Failed to break this resistance level. Reversal came into play. Now again, we see price been hugging this level. It looks like we can see a new lower low get made. So that's what we're looking for at right now. Again, we do have later on at the beginning of the New York session, USD news at 8:30. So do keep that time in mind. But yeah, we see a lot of reversals happening right now. Same thing with Ian. Got a nice sells multiple days last week. Then Friday and Thursday, price reversed. And then we can see yesterday, price failed to hold this level as resistance. It's pushing back up. So depending on how it reacts to these next couple of levels, we could see the uptrend and reversal come into play. So we're just going to let Ian do his thing right now. So right now we're just watching GJ. GJ was looking at possible setup. But again, that's why you want to wait for the confirmations, wait for the candlesticks to close to see if it can hold that support. But as you can see, price is rejected level right now. Now, it can very much so push back up. But again, we're just going to wait to see if and when when price is ready to hold and respect that support. So we're not going to pull the trigger on that yet. Got about 30 seconds till new 15 pops up. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. Want to look at any charts, drop them in the chat. Yeah, I'm liking how this is looking right here. I want to see. This is the furthest price went yesterday. Struggled to pass the Friday lows. So we're definitely going to need to break past these levels for the downtrend to start when it comes to GU. But yeah, we're going to see how this 5-minute closes. I am liking this right here. Gold kind of doing a similar move right here too. Again, gold with steep sells as well. It's got some work to do though, but you can't see short-term sales if it can hold 2316 as resistance. You can see sales going down to 2300. But I'd much rather wait for price to hold 2300 as resistance, which is why you see how my sell position here. Because if it can hold this level as resistance, we have a higher likelihood of the downtrend coming into play and continuing. Again, the past couple of weeks, price has been stuck in this place. Just like we rewind to last month, price was stuck here for a month as well. So again, we're just waiting for some volume to kick in so we can break through these levels and go back to our smooth, pumps and retracements. That's what we're really looking for right now. Yeah, I'm liking this right here. So I want to see how it reacts right here. And StreamYard is bugging out. All right, new 5-minute just popped up. Make sure to like the live too, y'all. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 2,400 subs. We can get to that easily. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Shout out to all the new members. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a couple minutes. Yeah, so next hour could be interesting. We're going to see if we can jump to some setups going into New York. Of course, not going to rush anything. So, if our confirmation are met until New York starts, it is what it is. But looks like we could see some potential setups this next hour when it pops up. It depends on if this can hold as resistance. And we're still watching GJ. Yeah, things can get interesting, it looks like. You guys got any questions up in the chat? When we look at any charts up in the chat. Got about 2 minutes and change before the new 15 pops up. Again, I got a new video dropping for y'all later on today at the beginning of New York session. Be on the lookout for that. Make sure I have your noties on. If you didn't watch the videos I dropped last week, make sure to check that out. I also dropped the Bitcoin weekly update last week as well. Make sure to look at that. I got a whole bunch of stuff for y'all. Yeah, so we're still going to be on the chart. So I want to see if it's going to be able to break this level here. Because, again, like I was just talking about a few minutes ago, not a few minutes ago, like 15 minutes ago, Price struggled. This is the furthest price went yesterday, and as you can see, it's not a coincidence that it struggled here, then reversed back up. This is the same previous lows price ended going Friday, right? It had a nice drop on Friday. It's the lowest price went. So again, super wiki. They reversed, held this level as resistance, failed to break this level. Now we see price kind of chilling right here, right above this level. So we need to break through this level with some volume for the downtrend to come into play. Now again, we do have the news at 8:30 that could have that kick in. We're still going to try. We're going to see if we can break this level a little bit, because as you can see, price paused. It was just here for the last whole 15 minutes. We see right here, still trying. But yeah, so we're going to be paying attention to GU still, as well as GJ. Again, it's been basically in the same spot since the live started. This was 3 o'clock. But shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Go to free signal for your Telegram. If you guys want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram, Telegram. Instagram is playmaker_way. I respond to all messages. New video dropping at the beginning of New York session, so be on the lookout for that. And yeah, we're gonna be at it same time tomorrow, 11 session 3 EST.